Hello, in front of me I've got Infinix Note 12 Pro. In this video I'll show you all unlock methods. In the beginning, let's go to settings, enter security, go to screen lock, and as you can see right here we've got 5 types of screen locks: non-swipe, pattern, pin and password. We are going to use each one of them to unlock the phone. Let's start with none. Now let's select swipe, then pin, next password, and in the end pattern. Once it's done, we can set up biometrics like fingerprint and face unlock. Firstly, let's set up fingerprint, add fingerprint, and now scan your fingerprint on the fingerprint sensor located on this side of the phone. Simply tap the power button multiple times and each time try to adjust the fingerprint position. Now let's use it to unlock the phone. And last but not least, let's select face unlock and roll face. And now scan your face in this area. Now my face is scanned, I can use it to unlock the phone. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.